एकेकाळी ओबेसिटीला फाईट करणारं कोणीतरी आज रोज मॅरेथॉन रनर म्हणून पॉप्युलर आणि फेमस असलेल्या सोनिया इंटरनॅशनल मॅरेथॉन पूर्ण केलेली आहे, रोज मॅरेथॉन पळते आणि आता रनर म्हणून फेमस आहे आणि एकेकाळी ओबेसिटीसाठी फाईट करत होती. ॲक्च्युली हा एकदम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. आणि तिने आत्ता मला सांगितलं ती एवढं वजन कमी करून 25, 30, 21 किलोमीटर सहज पळू शकते, पण 2-3 किलोचा सुद्धा फरक पडला तर लगेच ट्रेन जाणवतोय.
मी काय बोलू मला खरंच कळत नाहीये, कारण का कोणासाठी ही एक स्टोरी असेल, पण माझ्यासाठी ही एक जर्नी आहे. दिस जर्नी रिअली बिगॅन more than 2 years ago. जरी लग्नाच्या आधी आणि मी स्लिम होते, पण येस ॲज अ फॅमिली we've always been healthy and always did lots of things to lose weight. But during my both pregnancies, I really put on a lot of weight, and that's when the whole struggle started. And though I enjoyed that phase, but after a point I realized that that's not what I want to be. I want to be who I was. And to that whole decision, I got a push from my son. My elder son is about 10 years, and while talking to him, he said, "Mom, I want you to be fit." He didn't use the word "I want you to lose weight." He said, "I want you to be fit," because I asked him on a New Year's resolution day what you would like from me. You know, every time as parents we ask our children ki mala tu he promise de, te promise de, and tu asa kar tasa kar. But I asked him, "Tula माझ्या कडनं काय पाहिजे?" So he said, "I want you to be fit because I want you to play sports with me. I want you to run." And obviously, because I was overweight, I was embarrassed. I was not doing any of the physical activities that he enjoyed doing, and he wanted me to do with him. And that got me thinking, because मी खूप प्रयत्न केले होते, you know, to lose weight, to diet, and in between I got hypothyroid. And then, of course, to that entire decision, Mansi, who's here, she has also been one of the reasons that I took the decision, and I was very amazed to see her transformation. And then I met Dr. Shashank Shah. And more than a doctor, it's a blessing. I did that one conversation with him on that afternoon at Hiranandani Hospital, changed my life forever. And when I met him, he gave me so much comfort. He said, "Listen, this is not a surgery. This is a corrective measure, corrective lifestyle. And you're young and you have a long way to go ahead. And why not enjoy?" Because all the symptoms that I had were an alarming bear. You know, I was pre-diabetic stage. I don't have diabetes. I never had a high sugar problem. But my father has. He has a history. He is a heart patient. He has diabetes. Obviously, obesity does run in the family. And he said, if you don't take care now, and you know you're not growing younger, you know you're just going to waste your life. So he gave me so much comfort, and I just took that decision. And he was leaving for London, I remember, and I was trying to postpone that decision. He said, "Why wait? You know, you have decided to go ahead, just go ahead." And I think the eve of his trip to London, I came to Pune. We just went ahead, and of course, my mother, who's been a strong support, she was with me for the first 6 months, taking care of my entire diet. My sisters, who have, you know, always supported me, and the wonderful family. Even after 2 years, it's almost 2 years now, they've been there, they invited me, they said, "Come, we want you to share a story," and it's my second family. Anytime, anything, I call, I crib, I complain, I cry, I share my stories, and the fact that they're sharing what I have been through and what I have achieved today, it goes to show. The running started because, you know, I lost weight, I was dieting, and as I said, it's a journey, because you know, it's an emotional, mental, physical change that you go through. It's very tough. It's not just that. A lot of people feel like I need surgery ke liye, maka it's easy, you know, easy to lose weight. Of course it helps, but it's a lifestyle change. You know, when you see others eating and you can't eat, you know, when you have to be on that liquid diet, and then for me now, I love that liquid diet phase. So every now and then I just keep going back to it. Even today, you know that there are certain things you love, but you still can't have it, and then you know there are those cheat days. I said I have to do something, and my younger sister encouraged me into running. I did my first 5-kilometer run on 1st December 2013, exactly about 6-7 months after my surgery. And my mom was worried. She said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Yes, I want to do it." The next one was 10 kilometers, and there's been no looking back. And the only reason I'm saying so much and sharing all this is through this entire period, I have come across so many beautiful women and men who have got inspired, touched, moved. You know, all of us have stories. All of us have journeys. I have two beautiful sons, 10 and 4. They are my pride. I have gone through a lot in my life. And I want to say today on Women's Day is be strong. Be who you are. Rise and roar. Nothing, just let nothing stop you. Just be unstoppable in life because that's the way to be. Thank you so much for your
Tears mean a lot. And I must say she's given the best example that just by eating a bit less, no one loses strength. Everyone's strength goes up. If she could run marathon within 6 months with such a minimal diet and liquids, enough liquids, that's an example. सगळेजण प्रश्न करतात जरा कमी खाल्लं तर अशक्तपणा येईल का? त्याचा बेस्ट आन्सर आहे.
आणि एक मला लास्ट ॲड करायचं आहे की it has just, you know, increased my energy and stamina. I do things that I never did before. It has made me so confident. It has made me want to do things which I never thought I could do. And, you know, like I always shared with you, I just barely sleep for 4-5 hours. And a lot of people ask me, कि तू कसं करते, say, you know, are you on some drugs? I said, yes, I'm high on life. And thank you.